Every challenge you face is a sign that God is getting you ready for something you've never seen. Don't get sour. Why is this happening? Have a new perspective. God is growing me up. He's getting me prepared for my promised land. But if God gave you right now all that He has lined up, it wouldn't be a blessing. It would be a burden. He loves you too much to give you what you can't handle. There will be seasons where it's taking longer than you thought. You're still in the desert, dealing with that cranky neighbor, fighting that battle in your health, pressured raising that child. You could be sour. When is this going to change? No, that's a time to prove to God who you are. You're not weak. You're a warrior. You don't fall apart when trouble comes. You are strong in the Lord. You don't complain that you can't take it anymore.